Recently, we were invited out by Wyndham iDrive Resort to come stay at their resort and see what their place is like. And we were excited to find out that one of their room styles is perfect for large families like ours, has bunk beds. So come along, check out the room, check out the pool and the resort as we stay at the Wyndham iDrive Resort here in Orlando.
I can get the entire other bed.
Okay.
What do you guys think?
Oh, look, you guys have your own television.
Oh, actually, no, what I said.
Yeah.
They're fighting over who gets to
You
talk.
find
You want
another
the
needs to be
bottom?
on the top.
The bottom has its own outlet.
Oh, okay.
See, the teenager's dream is to have their own charging outlet. So that's pretty cool. Have
Yeah.
the bunk bed little area over here. Closet here.
This side's closet, which is perfect for.
So in-room safe.
Yeah. Good size. You
Ironing
can put a
board.
laptop in there.
And it smells extremely clean in here.
Very
I love the
clean.
way it smells in here. Now, we do have our bath as well. With the shower. I do appreciate the curved shower rod. It does make a big difference as far as the space inside the shower. But there's a lot of space in here. A lot of space to move around.
Nice size mini fridge.
Yeah. I think we can have a couple of we can have some fun times here. Do you think?
Yeah, I think so.
So our room over here, we're just like within walking distance from the lobby.
Yep.
Health Club's right over here. And Gatorville, the bar and grill, and the pool is right here as well. So there's actually two pools. Let's see a little pool over here and a little hot tub as well. And when you need to take a break, grab a bite to eat, over by the pool area at Wyndham iDrive is Gatorville. It's their bar and grill area. Very large space. It has a full bar. They do have daily specials as well, and even a bout of ice cream. But the one thing that is really impressive about this space is the fact that the windows can open up. It does provide a lot more of an open space for everything. Great theming. We love the boats up in the ceiling, including the large gator. But it's a great place for you to stop in and grab a bite to eat, grab yourself something to drink, and then jump back over by the pool and just relax. So what is this area over here? Oh, cool.
It's pretty.
A little hangout area.
I would imagine normally they have some chairs here, but
Yeah.
pretty fountain over there.
These are all the other buildings. All of them are very close to the pool. So the pool is very centrally located.
They've got this lovely water feature, this pond, kind of centered in the middle, but
All little bridges.
looking easy to get
I love
to
little bridges.
to
Bridges
the
are
pools
fun.
and the poolside.
So there's lots of rooms that even from the balconies or backside you can see the pool area. So we got a baby duck and a mama.
Having a little swim.
So they have a dog walking area over here. They are a pet-friendly hotel.
Yep.
But Susan's telling me that maybe not for our dog Nova. They're dog friendly, but maybe not pony puppy friendly. I still think we could have fit her in one of the upstairs bunk beds. She would have climbed right on up that ladder.
I was gonna say.
And taken up the whole bed.
Or she would have just taken the bottom bunk and
Yep, the whole
Caleb
thing.
could have slept on the floor.
When it has to do with vacation, it's all about location, location, location. And you can tell that the Win On My Drive is in a perfect location for relaxation because you're just a few minutes walk down to Icon Park, Orlando, where you can see just from the pool the Starflyers and the wheel. So after relaxing in the pool, take a few minutes walk down to Icon Park, grab yourself a bite to eat, and have some fun as well.
And just because you're on vacation doesn't mean you have to take a vacation from working out. And you don't have to when staying at the Win On My Drive. Look at this equipment room, guys. This is a lot of equipment. I've seen more here than I've seen in most hotels that I've stayed at across the country. Very impressive. Over there by the health and wellness, basically the gymnasium. So they've got really cool fitness equipment. They do have a smaller pool over by the hot tub. And then a much larger pool over the main pool over by Gatorville.
Thanks for watching our tour of the Win On My Drive location here in Orlando, just off of International Drive. They have rooms large enough for large families like ourselves, great outdoor spaces, pool, bar and grill, even a gymnasium with lots of equipment, and just a few minutes walk down to Icon Park, Orlando. Lots of information. You want to check out more? Check in our captions. Thanks for watching, guys. We appreciate it. You guys have a great day, and we will see you in the parks.